The battle over origins. Scientists have spent a century trying to explain where everything came from: the universe, life, and consciousness. The problem is simple. Their theories do not agree with each other. Let's start with the universe itself. The Big Bang model says everything exploded out of a single point about 14 billion years ago. Space, time, matter, and energy all began at that moment. The old steady-state model claimed the universe never began. It stretched forever into the past and kept creating new matter as it expanded. No starting point, no creation moment. Those two ideas cannot both be true. One says there was a beginning, the other says there never was one. When scientists found cosmic microwave background radiation, steady-state faded out of mainstream science, though it still shows up in philosophical circles. Now look at the multiverse idea. It says our universe might be just one among countless others. Each one could have different laws and constants. That clashes with the standard single-universe Big Bang, which assumes one set of laws and one unfolding history. The multiverse has no direct evidence. Many scientists treat it as speculation. Others use it to explain why our universe looks fine-tuned. Now shift to the origin of life. One theory says RNA came first. It copied itself. Genetics built cells later. Another claims metabolism came first. Chemical cycles drove complexity long before information. These ideas point in opposite directions. One puts information at the start, the other puts chemistry at the start. Researchers say both could be part of a larger story, but no one has shown how they connect. Some say life began in deep-sea hydrothermal vents under crushing pressure and volcanic heat. Others say life began in shallow pools on the surface, where lightning and sunlight could trigger reactions. Those environments cannot both be the starting point at the same time. One depends on darkness and pressure. The other depends on energy from the sun. Scientists often argue life could have moved later, but there is no evidence that either location produced a self-replicating cell. Then there is panspermia. Maybe life came from space, meteorites, comets, even alien design. That idea does not explain the first origin. It only moves the question somewhere else. You still need a beginning. Underneath the chemistry lies a bigger question. Where did information come from? Materialism says information is just a product of matter. Random chemistry eventually made code. Directed cause theories say chemistry cannot produce meaning, symbols, or language on its own. These views cannot both describe reality at the foundational level. Across all these domains, the contradictions stack up. Is there one universe or many? Did life start with code or chemistry? Did life begin in the ocean depths or under open skies? Is consciousness a byproduct of atoms or a signal pointing beyond matter? Did the universe begin, or has it existed forever? Scientists often blend theories to reduce the conflicts. Maybe vents created building blocks and RNA took over later. Maybe the Big Bang explains energy, but the multiverse explains fine-tuning. Maybe metabolism built platforms that later evolved digital information. These hybrids look neat on paper, but they lack evidence. The deeper issue remains. No one witnessed the beginning of the universe or the first living cell. Every model rests on assumptions, and those assumptions often come from ideology as much as observation. The search continues. But the theories are not unified. They point in different directions, with different starting points, different laws, and different causes. The debate is not just scientific, it is philosophical, it is existential, it is about meaning, purpose, and the origin of everything. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and follow to learn more.